Indians Cemetery. Pretty well kept. Lots of tiny gravestones. Headstones, I should say. It's a nice view. There's where I parked. And that's the trail we're gonna head down on. It's not too far. It's like a 2-mile round trip. Where we're heading right now actually was closed for the first year and a half I lived down here. Now that it's open though, you can walk through it. They've redone the dam. You get to walk across the dam. It's really nice. This area is grazing land. There's longhorns over here. Don't see any right now. Usually this is all grass. Nice view though. Look at that. This is the way back. It's all sidewalk. Main drag right next to me. Brushy Creek Road. Goes back. Nice church. Take this nice trail to the right to continue going, or you can do what I'm going to do, just take the trail to the left where the parking lot is and my car. Alright, signing off from another lovely hike.